Hello, let's solve some GCSE maths exam questions. This is a foundation paper, non-calculator paper, and it says here are the amounts of money earned each day by each of 9 workers. It's 55, 70, 65, 60, 55, 55 again, 65, 70, and 50. So the median, remember, I've said before in my other videos, MD is middle, because it's also got an MD in it. The best thing to do here is to order them. 50 is the smallest. Then I have 55, crossing them off as I go. Actually got 3 55s. And then I've got a 60, 2 65s, and then 2 70s. So now that I've got, and just check that I've got 9 again, there's 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. I've definitely got 9. And now to find the median, I want to have the same number either side. So 1, 2, 3, 4, that'll be the median, because I'll have 1, 2, 3, 4 either side. 4, 1, 4. So 60 is the median. One way you can do it is always do n plus 1 and divide by 2. So if it's odd, in this case it's odd, add 1, make 10, divide by 2, and it's the 5th number. I like to see it more visually. 4 numbers there, 4 numbers there, and 1 in the middle. They haven't asked us for the range, but it should be quite clear that hasn't asked us for the mode. 55 is the mode, comes up the most often. They have asked us for the range. So there we want the biggest minus the smallest. I've put them in order, so that helps. 70 minus 50, it's a range of 20 there. So 70 minus 50. So the worker earned the most that day got £70 more than the person who got the least. Okay, so that's 3 marks on data and statistics. They haven't asked us for the mean and haven't asked us for the mode, but we could calculate those. Let's move on to question 11 now. I've done the other questions in other videos. Question 11 is about fractions. I have a whole playlist on fractions, so do look out for that. And we're going to work out which ones are not equivalent to 2/3. So it's all about equivalent fractions. So it might be worthwhile reducing these to simplest forms. I'm going to simplify them. And we'll talk about cancelling factors. So 4/6 is the same as 2/3, so it's not that. You can see there, if you divide them both by 10, that's 2/3, so it's not that. These two are both multiples of 3, that's 2 3s, that's 3 3s, so it's not that. 8/12, however, if I divide that by 2, I'm going to get 4, and that divide 2, I get 6. Divide that one by 2, still comes down to 2/3. I wasn't so sure about that at the start. So it's not that. 10/16, so let's look at that one. Divide that one by 2, I get 5. Divide that by 2, I get 8. And I can't go any further. So it says one of these is not equivalent to 2/3. That one was 2 lots of 2/3. That was 10 lots of 2/3. That was 3 lots of 2/3. That was 4 lots of 2/3. As in multiply that one by 2 either side. Sorry, not 10 lots. Multiply that one by 2, that by 2, by 10 and by 10, by 3 and by 3, by 4 and by 4. So this one, however, is the one that is not equivalent to 2/3. It's 5/8. Okay, so we've got that 1 mark there. Maybe I did a bit more work than was needed. Then there's working out a subtraction of fractions. They don't have the same denominator, so I need to find the lowest common denominator. Again, about finding equivalent fractions. Make this also over 15. Multiply that by 3. Multiply that by 3, I get 12. So 12/15 is the same as 4/5. And I'll subtract 1. I'm going to get 11. Okay? Although that was worth 2 marks, I think I did less work for that one. But it doesn't matter. Okay. I'm hoping that made sense. It's all about finding equivalent fractions, simplifying where possible, and cancelling to compare these equivalent, which are equivalent fractions here. And in this subtraction one, making them have the same common denominator. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Good luck for your exams.